Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start the video here. I am trying the water drop effect, the rain effect, or you can say the bubble technique again. This time I'm using the UV resin. So basically I use UV resin for these sort of techniques, but when I was doing the soap one, I got so many messages where people say that they don't have the UV resin at hand, and plus they don't their UV resin don't cure, they get into some problems. So if they can use their normal resin, so that's why I use the normal resin in my previous video. Plus sometimes you have some extra resin that you don't know what to do, you can simply pour that resin into drops and that can be useful. So these are the reasons I use the normal resin for that technique, but in this one I will be using the UV resin because it will speed up the process. So what I'm doing here is I am not using any Chameleon, any mica, any sort of powder for this one, as someone mentioned. As someone mentioned in a Facebook group that, but if we don't use any sort of mica, how will the effect turn out? So this made me thinking. Plus, I do have some more ideas regarding this technique, so I will be trying that. So what I was thinking that if I'm not using the mica, how will the droplets get appear, or you can see them? So what I'm doing here is, this is from Let's Resin kit. I am using their Aura Flakes and I'm using their UV Resin Plus Let's Resin because I find their resin to be very good, the UV resin, and it cures very nice. So here what I'm doing here is I am making two types of water effect. One, I am doing the Aura Flakes, and for the second one I will be using some Aura Flakes and mainly glitter. So yeah, I did talk a lot. I'm sorry about that, but I need to explain it. Plus I know that I do speak a little fast, but I will slow down. So here I'm mixing the glitter into the resin. And these are the Aura Flakes. Make sure your flakes are tiny, not big pieces. It will create problem for creating drops. So I think I had some less of the Aura Flakes, so I'm adding some more. Here you can use any color you like, it's really up to you. So these are my molds, and I thought why not try in a 3D shape type object, so I'm taking these hearts. Just a bit of fun to see how it turns out. I am getting so many amazing ideas for this technique overall, and the other day someone on another app was telling me to use this on a tropical fish. It will be turning out amazing and I love that idea. So I'm finding a mold if I can find for a fish or any tropical animal. So yeah, I'm working on that, so it's something a bit on the surprise side. So now first I am using the one with the glitter, and now I'm making my drops. And as I see, there are a lot of different ways the people are making drops here. Some are making drops, some are making teardrops, some are making them a bit rough to give the water effect. So really up to you, and I'm loving it. So here I will be making the drops and I will be curing it with the UV lamp. So yeah, enjoy the process. So yeah, it did took me some time, but my UV resin droplets are all done. So on to the next step, because we are not waiting here, because these are already cured. So on to the next step. What I'll be doing here is I will be adding a black background to this one, where I added the aura flakes and some gold flakes, because we are in an experimental mode. So it's everything is here about experiments. And I got some lovely glitters from Michelle. That's reason, because they are not available in UK. Yeah, she ordered them and I am really loving them. So I might be using them as well. There are so many possibilities with this technique, and really. So on to the white one. So initially I was thinking of doing the pearl mica creamish sort of background for this one, but then I went with the white, and I'm using casting craft for that. But I really didn't want to be, so then I went with a bit of the creamish tone. I added a little bit of brown dye into this white mixed resin, just to get a little less white. So if you're using mica and backing it with the white resin instead of black, it will give some different effect. So yeah, that is another thing to do. So this is, I'm adding the brown dye. It's not the alcohol ink, it's the brown dye. I'm pouring it onto the droplets now. And with that, I will leave it to cure. So this is the next day and it's time to demold. So it's sort of yin yang theme going over here. First I will be demolding all of them and we'll see how they turn out. So this is the first reveal, and so they turned out amazing, but I think the effect of the drops are a bit lost, you can say. But still it looks lovely, and a bit of opal, blue opal effect. So let's see in the white one. Yeah, it has something different to it other than the droplets. If I might have gone with a bit of rough shape for the droplets, it would be a different look, but I think still I am loving this, because every time you can come out with something different and it's a technique. So I think I am loving these. So now I will be doing the edges, and I will be using my gold. but it's good to see and experiment that what if I do this, how it will look, or if I did this, how it will turn out. So yeah, as we experiment, we can see. So after adding the gold edges to both of the coaster, I will leave it to dry, and then I did the top coat. So let us see how they turned out, their final look. So this is their final look after the top coat. So the white one is giving a sort of drop effect, but the black one is a bit of lost, or you can see hidden one. It's a hidden gem, I can say, but still I love it, and it is looking beautiful. It's giving me a black opal effect, and I'm also loving this white one with the glitter. So please do let me know in comments if what are your thoughts about these, and please like, subscribe, and share, and let your creative ideas come my way because I love them and would love to play with them. So yeah, again, thank you so much, and thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, because I do make a lot of mixed media videos, including a lot of DIY crystal making, and talking about crystal, I will be making some crystal molds, so watch them, keep an eye, but they are coming very soon, the videos. So this is from me to you. Take care. Bye bye.